How to remove background of an image using Python. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button below this video.
In this video, we are going to see how to remove the background of an image using Python. So before starting the coding, we will see the image that we are going to process. This is an image of a tiger with a blurred background that we are going to remove. Okay, let me close it. Okay, now let us start working on it. I'm adding a cell. So we need two libraries for processing this one. First is the rembg library. If you need to install this library, rembg is the library which is used for remove the images of the background. And next is the pillow. Pip install pillow. These two things you need to remove. Pillow is the image processing library. Now let us start our coding. From rembg import remove from pil import image. So the necessary libraries we import, we run it, no issues. Now I'm giving the raw file name that is tiger.jpg. I'm writing in the root itself, so the same name. Now for after processing, we need a output file, processed image file. What we can give is tiger only. We are removing the background. Okay, now we will run this one as well. Okay, we will run it. Now we need to open the file. So in file equal to image dot open of the raw file. So okay, file got open. Now we need to remove the background. Remove background equal to remove of this in file. So background got removed. Okay, now we need to save this. So remove background dot save of the process image file. So we'll run it. So remove process in file. Okay, so the reason is we need showing as cannot write mode as jpg, so we need to, the mistake is we need to have png here. So we'll run it, remove background removed, and we will run it. So okay, now the file, so make sure that you should have the png extension here. Now we have this one. Now okay, before, now we will see in this one we have the tiger only has been generated. So we will see how to, okay, we'll have the library to open this file as well. So this is the actual image, and this is the tiger only image. So we can see the background for this is got removed. So one, okay, now once you install this, so we got the result. Now once you install this, when you're going to open or when you're going to remove the background, you may get, there is a high probability of getting some conflict or some files may be missing, because this is purely working on an AI models. So once you run, you may get a message something like the access denied with the following error. So this, and they will giving a Google Drive path as well. This file have the libraries. So better you try to install this one as well, and still if it is not working, from the Google Drive there will be 4 files that you may need to download. That is u2net.onx, this one, this is a u2net and u2netp and onnx and pth. These 4 files you need to download, and meanwhile I will give all the download that this file path in the description below. You can get it, or alternative way also I will be mentioned in the description below. And once this is downloaded, you need to keep it in C users and then username, and there will be one directory present once you install, and inside this you need to keep this file. For example, I used to keep, you can see users prop, this is my username, and this .unet, inside this 4 files will be there. and in Linux it should be come under home username, and in Mac it should be under the users and username. So in this way you can with minimal coding you can remove the background of an image. Now to view the image, from the to view the image from this Jupyter itself, you may need another library. So ipython.display image, and then raw image equal image file name, raw image file, raw image file name is equal to raw file name. Then we can have display of the display raw image. So if I run this, you can see this one got printed. The similar way, instead of the raw image we can have the final image as well. So final image, this is processed image file name, image file, processed image file is this tiger only.png, and then we will have the display final image. So when we run this, so now you can see both in the same Jupyter notebook itself. So this is the way that you can remove the background of an image. All the necessary documents, the libraries that you need to install, and the path where this needs to be copied, the Google link for downloading the model, everything I will be giving in the description box. Thank you.
Request you to please subscribe this channel for more technical and programming languages videos.